So I came out on the front porch. I was doing a little bit of weed eating in the yard, mainly out front around the camper. But anyway, I noticed a few days back that I got some little tomato plants growing in here. So anyway, this little planter here for some reason doesn't get rained on like the others. It's because it's under the awning of the roof. But I did mix up some Miracle Grow, and so a Miracle Grow looks like it's turning greener than it was. Could have algae growing in it or something, but when you know it. Anyway, I just figured I'd just go ahead and feed my little plants here a little bit. Not a heck of a lot, but just enough to moisten up this dirt. And if there's anything else wanting to grow in here, then hopefully this will help too. So I got that little damp with some Miracle Grow. But the reason I wanted to make this video is I'm going to show you something. In some of my previous videos, see, this one's dry too. But if you notice right here, you see that? That right there is little strawberry seeds. There's another one back there. There's some all in these pots where when we had strawberries in the house and they went bad, I brought them out here. Can you see them? Right here. There's strawberry seeds. And back there. But this planter, just like the other one for some reason, doesn't get rained on like the others do. It's kind of dry. And this one as well. But you can see the seeds right there. And right there just from the strawberries I had put out here. But if you look down here in this pot is out further. When it rains, it actually gets rained on. And I want to show you something. Now, you see this right here? See, it's got those three little things on it. It's got the two tiny little original leaves, and then this got its first real leaf here. But see how it's shaped? That's a I don't want to squish the thing. That's a tiny, brand new little strawberry plant. I've got a few of them in here. Got one there, one there, one there. This is one. See how that little leaf is shaped? That's one, that's one. So I've got them growing in here. I'm guessing the reason being is this planter holds moisture better than a couple of these others, especially that one right there. And then this planter down here, you can see them down in there. You can see right there is some strawberry seeds that have just been sitting on top. And that's grass. I'm always trying to pull out what's not supposed to grow. That's a little strawberry plant right there. I think that might be a pepper plant. But this one is not strawberry. That leaf looks totally different. I think that's one of those things that just grows in the yard. So I'm going to pull that one out. See if I can get him out by the root. Yeah. Anyway, I think this one might be a pepper plant. But these little tiny things right here, you can see how they got those three knuckles. Got them little three knuckles. I call them knuckles because it looks like three knuckles. Like that one's got 5. The bigger the leaf gets, the more knuckles it gets, I guess. But those are little tiny strawberries. And then back here, these started out the same way. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? It's a pretty little strawberry plant right there. Started from strawberries that were in the fridge going bad. There's another little tiny one right there. See the knuckles? Little knuckles. And I believe these are pepper plants. I believe. And then over there is another strawberry plant. So when you have strawberries in the house, in the fridge that go bad, don't throw them in the trash. Don't just compost them or anything like that. Just take the strawberry and dump it in a pot outside, out front. And eventually you'll get your own little strawberry plants. I don't see anything growing there. This one I had put, I believe that's pepper. I had put a bunch of pepper seeds into this one. And I think that's a pepper plant right there. Same with this one right here. I had put a bunch of pepper seeds in there. That's some kind of plant that's popping up, but I don't know what that is. And then this one, I think I had pepper, yeah, right there. I think those are little tiny peppers right there. So I might end up with some like bell peppers growing out of these pots, but definitely some strawberries. I'm excited about the strawberries. Talk to you later.